Airlines are businesses that earn money by transporting passengers, freight and mail from one place to another. There are several ways that airlines generate revenue, which include ticket sales. The primary source of revenue for airlines is the sale of air tickets. Airlines set the ticket prices based on demand, supply and competition, among other factors. The more in demand a flight is, the higher the price the airline can charge for it. Airlines generate additional revenue by selling ancillary services such as baggage fees, food upgrades, in-flight meals and entertainment, lounge access, and travel insurance. Services are often sold at a premium price and can make up a significant portion of an airline's overall revenue. Cargo operations, another source of revenue for airlines, is the transport of goods and merchandise. Airlines charge fees based on the weight and size of the cargo being transported. This service is in high demand by businesses that need to move goods quickly and efficiently. Airline partnerships. Airlines often form partnerships with other airlines, hotels, rental car companies, and credit card companies to offer bundled packages to their customers. These partnerships generate additional revenue for the airline through commissions and fees. Maintenance and repair services. Airlines also earn revenue by providing maintenance and repair services to other airlines and aircraft operators. This service is highly specialized and requires specialized knowledge and expertise, making it a profitable business for airlines. In conclusion, airlines earn money through a combination of ticket sales, ancillary services, cargo operations, partnerships, and maintenance and repair services. With the increasing demand for air travel, airlines continue to find new ways to generate revenue and remain profitable.